Hi, welcome to jumpsuit video part 2.
Get the fabric for the back bodice 10 inches, okay, by 10.5 inches. Fold it like so, and then you keep it aside for now. You can pin it down and just set this aside. So you get another fabric like this, the folded part and the open part, okay, of 10 inches wide and then 25.5 inches long, okay. So we're going to be placing the front bodice on this folded fabric, okay, the back bodice. We'll place the front on the back bodice, setting it like this. Make sure this 0.5 inch sewing allowance is on the folded part of the back bodice. Pin it down to make it secure. So here we have it pinned down. So this is the front on the back bodice. So pin it like so, following this, okay. Then for the neckline, I'm going to be coming down by 1 inch for the back neckline, 1 inch. Then the width is 3 inches already, using the front bodice. So I'll just curve this back neckline like so, then cut it out. Then the shoulder slant, also cut it out. So for the back bodice, I'm coming out by 0.5 inch, and then I'm curving it for the back armhole, okay. So it comes out, not in like the front bodice. So just cut out the back armhole. So here we have it, front and back, okay. So this is it. So I'm tracing the side bodice. This is the front, this is the back. Also, I've cut it exactly the way it is, okay. So I'm going to be cutting the crotch area for the back bodice, okay. So I'm just going to be attaching what we measured the first time, okay. So this is the first piece. I'm going to be attaching from the hip area down to the hem. So this method is just for you to have the zipper opening at the front only and nothing at the back, okay. So this is it. Just pin this down, pin the other one down, okay. So I'm going to be measuring the crotch now. So the crotch is coming down like so. So measure 2 inches from this part, okay, from the front crotch. Add 2 inches all the way down to get the back crotch. You curve from here to this crotch area. Just give it a curve, okay. Then I'm going to be adding 2 inches from up to the hem. You'll start from the hem, just add 2 inches up to the crotch, okay. So this is it. Cut it out. This is the back bodice. So I remove this front bodice, pin the back bodice accurately. First of all, I'm going to be opening the hem of the back bodice. You know it was on fold, so this is me. Don't do this. This is a mistake. Don't cut it that way. Just cut it straight. When you're dealing with the body, you can notch this other fabric to know where you're going to be attaching on your main fabric. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to cut the back body, straight like this. Don't cut it the way I cut it the other time. Just cut it straight, attach this extension to it, okay, to the back bodies. Then you sew it, take it to the sewing machine, sew it down. Then you sew the zipper to the front bodies. This is how I did it. I sewed this first, I attached the zipper and sewed it again. Then I used my zipper seam ripper to rip it open. Then the zipper was attached. So I sewed the side also, and then I got it like this. So this is it. I've sewn the middle part of the fabric and attached the zipper at the back. I've pinned it down. I'm going to be using my zipper foot. Okay, I'll use this zipper foot to sew it down. Then I'll open this with a seam ripper. Okay, then I give it a good press. So we have something like this. Beautiful. Thank you for stopping by.